Hi all, welcome to another Kenwood video. This is a early Vauxhall Corsa crying out for an upgrade. So we popped a Apple CarPlay Android Auto Kenwood unit into this one. This is one of the new DMX5 series. Sorry, DMX7525, so DAB. Wireless CarPlay Android Auto. As you can see, very good quality screen. At this price point, exceptionally crystal clear. Touchscreen works really well. Home screen looks like their flagship 9 series. As you can see, everything is very responsive. This vehicle hasn't got stalk, so you have to use a touch panel. Thanks for watching. Another great product from Kenwood. Thanks.